6:42 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Bristol, Tennessee to 9 miles north of Bakersville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mountain City, Trade, Dogville, Roan Mountain State Park, Neva, Captain Creek Cove State Park, Sadie, Shady Valley, Elk Mills, and Roan Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has a history of producing widespread wind damage. And now your 7-day forecast. Rest of today, showers and a chance of thunderstorms.
So, as you see on the radar right here, this is that storm.
Winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 40s.